Cactus stands all stiff and tall, wrapped in a sweater, ready for fall. Needles poking through the knit, this spiky plant looks quite a bit like a grandpa grumpy and green, wearing a sweater, the funniest scene. But if you touch, a prick you'll find. This cuddly cactus is not so kind. Octopus floats with wiggly grace, arms like noodles all over the place. He dances and swirls, a slinky sight, 8 legs a-waving with all their might. He squirts out ink, a cloudy screen, hiding and changing, a submarine dream. His eyes so big, his head so round, the silliest creature underwater is found. Alligator baby, hatched so new, with shiny scales and eyes of blue. He chirps and squeaks, a tiny roar, exploring the swamp from shore to shore. Fat little belly, a toothy grin, so much mischief packed within. He might look fearsome with scale and claw, but this baby gator brings nothing but awe.